Hello friends, so today we are going to see 4 different functions to extract data from the array. Now the first function that I will be discussing with you is the extract function. So what actually this function will do is that it will extract the data from the given array. Now let us take some example to understand this concept. So say suppose I will be creating one array called with the variable name my underscore array is equals to I will be using the array function like I have explained you in the earlier tutorials. Then say suppose I will be creating the key value pairs. Now for this simplicity I will create 3 keys A, B and C, and the values for A is cat, for B it is dog, and for C it is horse. Now say suppose I am interested in the extracting the values cat, dog and horse. So I will just use the function extract and pass it the variable name of the array within it. And to display it, I'll just use my echo command, echo double quotation slash $a. Now here the reason I have used the backward slash is that I want this $a to be printed as it is, equals to $a. So what is the difference between this slash $a and $a is that this will output $a as it is, and in the second $a the value associated with the key A will be displayed. So here what will be displayed, as I will just show you in the output. So $a is equals to cat, $b is equals to dog and $c is equals to horse. That will be displayed on the screen. After writing this echo $a is equals to $a, save this file with the name extractarray.php. Let us go to the web browser, run it and check the output. So you can see that the values of the array has been extracted successfully by using the extract function. So this is how the first function extract works. Next I will be show you the next function, implode function. Now what is the use of this implode function? So this returns a string from the elements of the array. Now we know that in array multiple values are there. So what I am going to do is that just declare one array with the variable name dot arr is equals to array, and within it say suppose I will write, suppose this particular array consists of 4 words or 4 string. So first is hello, second is world, third is beautiful and fourth is day. So what I want is that I want to combine these 4 words into one single statement, and what I can do is that I can decide what should be the different characters by which I can join these 4 words. Now say suppose in between each of these words I want double equals to symbol. So how I am going to do that? So simply I will be writing here echo implode, and then here this implode function will take 2 parameters. So both are required parameters. So first parameter will be the character by which we want to combine the different array elements. So here I will write double equals to, here you can otherwise give quotation, exclamation, whatever you want to give, space. So you can experiment with this. Now for this example, say suppose I have taken double equals to comma dollar variable name of array and close the bracket. Now I will save this file and let us go to the web browser and run this file. The complete string of 4 words is displayed. So this is how you can use the implode function. Now let us take one more example. So I will try one more different character here. So now instead of double equals to, observe here I have now taken the star, and I will put the HR tag in between to see the difference of the output. So let us save this and check the output. Now the third function that we are going to discuss is the array flip function. So basically this function, what it does is that it flips or exchanges all keys with their associated values. So let us take one variable $a1 is equals to array. Now say suppose I will create here 4 key values pair. So first key is A and associated value with it is red. Second key is B, associated value with it is green. C key, associated value is blue. D, and associated value is yellow. Then let us use the array flip function and pass it the name of the array and store this output in the variable result, and let us again save it. Let us again then display it with using the print underscore r function. Pass the second variable in which the array flip function output is stored, that is result. So if you recall, I have used the function print underscore r to display the contents of the array. So here I will just pass $a1. Let me again write here the echo and add the HR tag to differentiate between the different outputs. So you can see here, save this and let us check the output. So you can see that key value pairs are displayed. So see here, key value pairs are exchanged. So initially A was the key, now red is the key and value is A, green is the key and value is B, and likewise. So this is one function to flip or exchange the keys with their associated values. Now let us move to the explode function. So let me first explain what this explode function does. So this function breaks a given string into array. Implode does the opposite of this. So explode breaks a string into array. Now let us take one string value. Say suppose hello everybody, it is so wonderful day, right? And this is one complete string and I want to make it into a array. So what I'm going to do is that just use the explode function and I want to display the array. So first I will write print underscore r and I will pass it the values given by the explode function. Now this explode function, again like our implode function, you have to give two parameters. So first parameter is that by what you are going to break down the string. Now here in this example, between two words there is a space, isn't it? So hence I will first within double quotation I will give the space, then second parameter will be the name of the string variable, so $str. So what actually will happen by this statement is that this string will be divided into array, and of array of how many elements? Now let us check. So hello everybody, it is so wonderful day, means total 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So this explode function will divide this given string into array of 7 elements and it will just display it by using the print underscore r function. So see here, explode function has broken the string into array. So today what we have learned? We have learned the 4 functions. Extract function to extract the data from array. Second, implode function which returns a string from the elements of array. Third, array flip function, which flips or exchanges all keys with their associated values. And the last function, that is the explode function, which breaks a string into array.